Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new pencil lantern in Fish It. So in this latest update, you can unlock a brand new lantern that called pencil lantern, and it will look like this. It looks like this, and if you use it, it will look like this. It has a pencil shape and with the fire like this. And to get this pencil lantern, you can get it from the lockers inside the fish school like this. And so just go to the classic school or fish school like this, and in here you will find several lockers like this that contains random rewards. You can see it has a random rewards like this, and every item has a different drop chance, so sometimes you may need a few tries before getting this lantern, these pencil lanterns. And to open these lockers, you will need a locker's key first. It will look like this. This one, locker key. And if you still don't know how to get these keys, make sure to check the tutorial link in the description below to watch the tutorial. And once you already have some keys, just walk away to any lockers. Just walk to any lockers and then just tap it to open the lockers. And then you will receive a random rewards. And if you are lucky, you can get the pencil lanterns that looks like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!